Welcome to English with Jim. Today we're going to learn some advanced C1 phrases that you can use in everyday situations. I'm going to explain what they mean and show you how to use them correctly, but also highlight some common mistakes to avoid. So, let's get started. To bear in mind means to remember or consider something important, an important detail when making a decision, like bearing in mind your friend's preferences for a surprise birthday party. Maybe they don't like clowns. Or bearing in mind that traffic may be heavy when planning a trip. Now, a common mistake is to use bear in mind for insignificant things, such as bear in mind to bring your pen to class. Now, this is incorrect because bear in mind is better suited for significant details. Like, for example, when planning a work project, bear in mind that resources are limited. Money is tight. That is significant. In conjunction with. This means together with or in combination with something else. It's when two things are combined. Like, say, planning a protest in conjunction with an unfair election. Now, an incorrect way of using in conjunction with would be this. He got sick in conjunction with eating the ice cream. In conjunction with is not used to imply causation, cause and effect. This example implies ice cream caused the sickness, not that they occurred together. Another example. The marketing campaign was launched in conjunction with the product release. So, those things occurred together in conjunction with. To play a pivotal role. This means to be very important in a situation or a process, a key part, like a teacher playing a pivotal role in a child's education, or a coach playing a pivotal role in an athlete's training. This is not used for minor contributions. So, for example, you would not say the color of the napkins played a pivotal role in the success of the wedding. The color of the napkins is not significant. It didn't make a significant contribution, so it did not play a pivotal role. The mediator played a pivotal role in resolving the conflict. Now that is a significant contribution. The mediator resolved the conflict. He or she played a pivotal role. In light of. This means to take new information into account, like changing plans in light of a different weather forecast. Maybe it's now supposed to rain, so we're not going to go on a picnic. Or revising opinions based on new information. Now, this is not used for something that routinely happens. For example, you would not say, in light of it being Monday, I will go to work. Mondays are routine. They happen all the time. Well, every 7 days. So, in light of only is used for new significant information. For example, in light of the new evidence, the police reopened the case. So, there's new significant evidence, and in light of that, the case was reopened. Has to be significant. In the interest of, This means for the sake or benefit of something. It's used when considering what's best, like a decision made in the interest of public safety, or a separation of two parents made in the interest of their children. Now, this is incorrectly used when it's justifying personal preferences, like, say, for example, in the interest of my liking chocolate, let's order a chocolate cake. This is wrong because it uses a personal preference for justification rather than a broader, more objective interest, such as, in the interest of fairness, the rules of the game were changed. The rules of the game were changed for a broader, more significant interest, which is fairness. To draw a distinction between. This means to show the differences between two things. It's about making a clear separation, like differentiating between fact and an opinion, or between a hobby and a profession. Now, a common misuse would be to use it to compare items that are too similar. For example, I draw a distinction between apples and red apples. Now, these items are too similar. This is incorrect because it suggests a significant difference where there really isn't one. It's just a shade, just a different color. So another example, she aims to draw a distinction between mere speculation and information. Here, this is a clear distinction, a clear separation. Speculation and information. Okay, that is it. That wraps it up. If you liked the lesson, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Take care.